Exploring cultures. The joy of cultural excursions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines travel, learning, and cultural appreciation. Cultural excursions. Whether you're an English language learner or simply curious about different cultures, understanding what a cultural excursion involves can enrich your experiences and knowledge. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore what makes cultural excursions such a fascinating subject. A cultural excursion refers to a journey or trip taken with the purpose of exploring, experiencing, and understanding the culture of a particular place. This isn't just any trip. It's an adventure that takes you beyond the surface of tourist attractions to immerse yourself in the local way of life. Cultural excursions might involve visiting historical sites, participating in traditional events, tasting local cuisine, or interacting with the residents of a place. The key here is engagement. It's about actively seeking to understand and appreciate the cultural nuances that make a place unique. Cultural excursions are more than just educational trips. They are a means of cultural exchange. They allow individuals to gain insights into different ways of life, fostering a sense of global citizenship and empathy. For English language learners, these excursions are particularly valuable as they provide real-life contexts to practice language skills, learn new vocabulary, and understand the cultural contexts behind the language. It's an opportunity to see the English language in action, beyond the classroom, in the heart of communities where it's spoken. To truly benefit from a cultural excursion, there are a few strategies to consider. Prepare in advance. Research the culture and history of the place you plan to visit. This will enrich your understanding and appreciation of what you experience. Be open and respectful. Approach the culture with an open mind and respect for local customs and traditions. Remember, the goal is to learn and appreciate, not to judge. Engage actively. Participate in local activities, try the food, and engage in conversations with locals. This direct engagement is invaluable for language practice and cultural learning. Reflect on your experiences. After your excursion, take the time to reflect on what you've learned and how it has impacted your understanding of the culture and language. We hope this video has sparked your interest in cultural excursions and shown you the immense value they hold for understanding and appreciating the diversity of our world. Whether you're learning English or simply eager to explore different cultures, embarking on a cultural excursion is a step towards becoming a more informed and empathetic global citizen. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content. Safe travels and happy learning!